Samsung will have already announced the Galaxy S10 before MWC, the largest mobile show on the planet. But mark my words, this will be a busy, exciting show, and Samsung won't miss using this platform to show off the Galaxy S10, foldable Galaxy X, Galaxy F, Galaxy Fold and every other thing it announces, just days before Mobile World Congress 2019 kicks off. Samsung won't be alone. Huawei, the world's second-largest smartphone maker behind Samsung, is rumored to show off its first-ever foldable phone. LG, Nokia, Oppo, and Xiaomi will also plan to make their mark at the annual Barcelona conference. What makes this year's MWC even more vital than last year's show is the energy we'll see behind three extremely powerful trends that have the potential to define a decade of mobile phones: foldable designs, 5G data speeds and amazingly complex photography due to a plethora of rear cameras. As smartphone sales stagnate across the entire smartphone world, the products and news announced at MWC offer a beacon of hope for revitalizing one of the fastest-moving industries on the planet. Yes, Samsung will have already launched the Galaxy S10 and potentially a slew of other phones and devices. But the King of the Hill will absolutely take the opportunity to go big with its booth and show off all new tech. Especially if we really do see a Galaxy S10 in banana yellow. Chinese brand Oppo brought us the show-stopping Find X in 2018, so we're hoping for a similar showing. If the rumors are to be believed, Oppo might be gearing up for the Oppo F11 Pro, an all-screen phone with a 48-megapixel camera that pops out of the body and excellent low-light shots. Looks like it would have that stunning gradient design on the back too. Xiaomi stole some of Samsung's foldable phone show when it posted a video teasing its totally unique foldable phone design. We can only hope that's what on Xiaomi's plate for MWC. However, the Xiaomi Mi 9 flagship phone is also bouncing around the corridors of conjecture. Xiaomi has taken its opportunity at MWC to launch this line of phones before, so the announcement stands to reason. Xiaomi usually makes a higher-end variant of its Mi phones as well, either a Pro model or a special edition. Huawei reportedly hopes to overtake Samsung as the world's #1 smartphone brand by the end of 2020. It plans to have a foldable phone with 5G support in February 2019's most important phone trends in a single device. Honor, a Huawei offshoot that the company has tried to spin off as its own brand for years, will host a party that's also a presentation. A mid-price Honor 11 seems likely. This phone would follow the flashy Honor View 20, which has a surprisingly good 48-megapixel camera for a mid-range phone. We only expect one Nokia phone from HMD, the company that licenses the Nokia name, but the one we think we'll get would be a doozy. According to a render posted by frequent Twitter leaker Evan Blass, the Nokia 9 PureView will have 5 cameras on the back, use Zeiss camera technology and run Android One, the pure version of Android that Google shares with device makers. LG wasn't shy in announcing its own LG G8 Think phone ahead of MCW, complete with a 3D front-facing camera that can securely unlock the phone just like the iPhone XS and iPhone X before it. The G8 is also expected to have a second screen case attachment. We don't know much else about the LG G8, or if LG will also show or tease a foldable phone like so many others. However, we already believe that LG might announce a 5G device. Rumors point to the Sony Xperia X4 being follow-up to last year's Xperia X3. We can look for bold camera claims here, including enhancements to slow-motion video. It's unlikely we'll see a 5G phone from Sony so soon. The company doesn't want to rush a product that the majority of phone buyers won't snatch up in 2019, Sony Mobile Marketing VP Don Mesa told Digital Trends in January. Sony does often reveal a handful of mid-range models alongside its top device. OnePlus isn't holding a press conference at MWC, but it'll be on the ground. It plans to show off its 5G phone, which was announced this past December and will be available on the UK carrier EE. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon for further updates.